OSHA compliance and SDS. A new hospice and OSHA. A new hospice maintains compliance with all required OSHA and IOSHA records, postings, and reporting requirements, and participates with all OSHA and IOSHA inspections as requested. A new hospice also makes efforts to ensure the safety of all persons in compliance with OSHA and IOSHA by developing and implementing safety policies and procedures and providing safety equipment. What is OSHA? Healthcare providers and facilities must comply with the regulations issued under the Occupational Safety and Health Act. These regulations cover various workplace safety hazards and require employers to take specific actions to minimize those hazards. OSHA healthcare compliance consists of healthcare facilities and employers becoming familiar with the regulations and then training employees on the regulations so that the whole facility can maintain a safe environment for employees and patients. Bloodborne pathogens standard. One of the main areas of OSHA healthcare compliance is compliance with OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standard. OSHA has found that healthcare employees are at risk of developing and therefore transmitting certain pathogens through blood. These include hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. For a bloodborne pathogen to be transmitted, the bodily fluids of an infected person must enter into the bloodstream of another person. Bodily fluids. A number of bodily fluids other than blood may contain bloodborne pathogens, especially if they are visibly contaminated with blood. These sources include cerebrospinal fluid in the brain, synovial fluid in the joints, pleural fluid in the lungs, amniotic fluid in and around the uterus, pericardial fluid around the heart, peritoneal fluid in the abdomen. OSHA healthcare compliance. To reduce the risk of this occurrence, OSHA healthcare compliance requires employers to follow a series of precautions. OSHA healthcare compliance includes bloodborne pathogen standards, exposure control plan, universal precautions, sharps containers, safety needles, work practice controls, personal protective equipment, provision of Hep B vaccinations, and post-exposure evaluation and follow-up.